macaroni and cheese scented air fresheners, and bacon and egg earrings. It's episode 19 of Loot. This clock tells the correct time, except it runs backwards. And Thailand Unique will sell you a bottle of whiskey with a cobra in it, delicious chocolate-covered silkworms, a can of barbecue scorpions, or a nice bag of edible pregnant crickets. If the thought of eating bugs leaves you with cold feet, make them colder with this snowball-shooting crossbow, and then warm them back up with these USB-powered heated slippers. Or show your team spirit with VAT19's giant puffy NFL sneaker slippers, while feeding your baby with an enterprise spoon that can drip food all over a flashing LED Trekkie bib. Your bib, of course, should be formal. Buy a baby rattle that makes your baby look buff, and when they get older, don't give them army men, give them breakdance men. Or treat yourself to a cute, cuddly stuffed animal cupcake. A pistol with a cowboy hat, a slice of pizza, a stack of pancakes, or my favorite, the zebra rabbit with a mustache. Get your lady a pair of hand-painted Star Wars shoes or these eyeshadows from Geek Chic Cosmetics based on the colors of the Mushroom Kingdom. Oh, and don't forget this shade of lipstick. It's called Hipster Ariel. Be even hipper with a levitating lamp that looks like it's been slashed by a lightsaber. And here's a wireframe you can use to make any chair suggest the idea of a throne. Ferrofluids are colloids containing magnetic material, so they respond to magnetic fields and their own cohesion and surface tension. You can buy a whole play kit or a liter of the stuff. Now, just don't drink it. Instead, drink some civet coffee. This coffee is produced by having civets run around eating the very best beans they find. These guys swallow it, digest it, and enzymes in their intestines change the beans, which they poop out completely whole. So farmers collect the poop, wash it off, roast the beans, and produce for you the best, smoothest, and most expensive coffee on earth. Full disclosure, I bought some of this last year for my dad on Father's Day, and it was delicious. I'm gonna shout out Science Bob. Now, you leanbackers know him. His site's store is cool. He's got smoke shooting guns and smoke wands and owl pellets that you can dissect to get rat bones out of. Science for the win. And as always, thanks for watching.